In this video, let's talk about the second step of the 6 steps to reselling shoes online, and that is the cleaning and prepping of the shoes to prepare them for the photos. The best way to show you guys is just to grab the pairs. So let's go ahead and head over to where we normally list shoes in the living room, and let's go over how we clean them. Alright guys, now that we have these shoes lined up, let's go ahead and get these photo worthy. In order to do so, you're going to take all the Goodwill stickers off, and I've already done it on these ones. And from there, you're going to want to factory lace the shoes. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? Back to what I was saying, we're gonna factory lace these shoes. So what I mean by that is, with the last slot open or hole open, we're gonna take the lace, instead of going in through this way, you're actually going to come back in through. So once we've done that on both sides, we are going to simply tie a knot to get the lace, the rest of the lace into the shoe. All right, so in order to do this part, we're going to wrap it around kind of like that in a little loop. Then go ahead and just make some extra room here for your knot and pull the 2 strands through and you'll have your knot. Go ahead and just slide that into the shoe. And the next step is going to be to stuff the shoe. You can kind of see like this, when you take pictures, it just kind of looks very, I don't know, unappealing. So in order to kind of make it look better, we're going to stuff it. So some people use different things, but we like to just stuff them with either Goodwill bags or whatever we had, the shoes in, just to make them look a little better. So I would stuff it probably a little bit more, but you can kind of see what I mean by that. Just stuffing it makes it look a little bit more full. And if you use Goodwill bags to stuff the shoes, make sure you take them out of the shoes. Not very professional. The customer's not gonna have the best experience opening up or taking Goodwill bags out of the shoes. So just be warned.
What's your sign?
Alright guys, so now the actual cleaning of the shoes, a couple things we use. The best step in cleaning them is to get shoes that don't need cleaned. However, if you do need to clean them, what we're going to use is, you can kind of see a little bit of wear on these, not too much, just a little dirt. So we're going to use just a wet rag, some dish soap and water, and then a little scrub brush.
Dawn dish soap is better than other dish soaps.
Is it though?
It is.
Are you sure?
They use it for wildlife that are stuck in oil spills to clean off little ducks and stuff, dude. They do that.
On dish soap for oil spills.
If I'm right, we have to use this footage in the video. If I'm wrong, I'm deleting it.
Why Dawn is the bird cleanser of choice for oil spills.
I told you.
Okay, fine. Alright guys, so with these tools we are going to dip the brush with the Dawn dish soap and water. Emphasis on the Dawn dish soap.
Why are we emphasizing Dawn dish soap?
Apparently they use it in like clean up oil spills, so it does a good job taking the grease away. So
thank you.
Yeah. Dip the brush in there, and you'll just kind of scrub the sides of the shoe. Again, you don't want to get shoes that are that dirty just because it takes so much time. But once we've got that side clean, you'll just take that wet rag, wipe it clean, and you can really see that side compared to that side. Nothing crazy, but it definitely makes a difference. Alright, same thing for the bottoms of these guys. You're just going to dip the brush in and scrub. Takes a little bit more for the bottoms, and it doesn't need to be perfect. Just good enough. These ones had some stuff on them. That's not too much of a problem. Obviously it takes a little bit of the value away from the shoe, but just getting it a little brighter shade of yellow so it's not so dingy.
Sanitizing it too.
Yeah, sanitizing the shoe as well. Absolutely. Alright, so we can scrub a little bit more, I'd say, but that looks decent on this one just to show you guys. So we would just get that second side, and then this shoe would be ready to go. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, if you got any value from this, go ahead and like and subscribe. It greatly helps out the channel. Stay tuned for the next steps of the reselling process, where we guide you through the photography, the listing, the accounting, and the customer service steps of the reselling process.